Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send messages on Spotify. So guys, basically there is a new feature right now on Spotify which you can use to send messages directly to your Spotify friends to share your music or your playlist with your friends on Spotify. So guys, let me show you how you can send messages or share your music with your Spotify friends directly from your Spotify account. So guys, in order to do this, you have to simply go back to your home screen first, and then you have to simply download and install the latest version of Spotify app on your device. So guys, for that, go to App Store or Play Store and search for Spotify. Once you search for Spotify, you have to simply download and install the latest version of Spotify on your device, and after this, open this app. And now you can select your playlist or your song from here which you want to share with. So I simply, you have to open any song. Here I have opened this song, and from here you will see the share button. So I simply tap on share button, and here you will see the option like this to share your music with your friends on Spotify. So guys, you can see this, I have not downloaded the latest version of Spotify, that's why I have not got this option. You will get the option like this to share this song with your friends on Spotify from here. So guys, from here you have to simply select your Spotify friend from here, and after this you will get the appearance like this on your Spotify account. So guys, you can see this, you have to simply select the person whom you want to send a message or you want to share music with. So guys, simply select that person, and then you can see you can easily send that message or you can share that music or playlist with that from easily. So guys, you can see this, you have to simply tap on share button, and after this the song or the message or the playlist will be shared with that friend on Spotify from here. So guys, in this way you can also send messages on Spotify to your Spotify friends. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.